Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by prepping the base. Dice onions, carrots, and celery into even pieces so they cook at the same rate. Once chopped, you heat 3 tablespoons olive oil in a large pot and add the mirepoix. This is where flavor builds through gentle browning. Make sure to salt lightly now to draw moisture. While the vegetables soften for 6-8 minutes, rinse 2 cans cannellini beans and measure 6 cups stock so you can add them without slowing momentum. Once the mirepoix is translucent, you add 3 minced garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons tomato paste to deepen the flavor. Cook briefly to remove raw tang. Then stir in a 14 can crushed tomatoes, the rinsed beans, 1 tsp each oregano and basil, and 1 bay leaf so herbs infuse evenly. Add chopped zucchini and shredded cabbage, then pour in the warmed stock. Bring everything to a gentle simmer and let it reduce for about 20 minutes so flavors concentrate and vegetables become tender. You finish by stirring in 1 cup small pasta and cooking until al dente, usually 7-9 minutes. Add a generous handful of spinach in the last minute so it wilts but stays bright. Then brighten with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and fold in 1/3 cup grated Parmesan for savory richness. Taste and adjust salt and pepper. If the soup is too salty, dilute with 1 cup stock or water and simmer briefly. If too thin, simmer uncovered 5-10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.